Okay, hello everyone, let's get started. I'm exciting. This is a new video in a long time. Okay. Oops, there we go. Don't fall, please. Okay, we're going. So today we have to be able to switch. Oh no, I'm gonna record from those guys. So today we have something amazing. We received this package and it's coming from Inmo. Already got the Inmo Air 3 Pro, something like that. I'm gonna grab over here for you guys. So that was the previous Inmo that I got. Really liked the device. It was really good. Very good display. Very good display. And very exciting to watch like movies or even work. It's a full Android in those glasses. So they released this one. I think it's more like a competitor to the Rocket glasses. So let's get going to open this guy. And they sent two additional packages, which I don't know what they are. That says ring on it, so it's obviously a ring. So let's get started. Let's open this. I'm gonna start recording here. There we go. So okay, so there's a sliding. Okay, first part, and there's a pair of glasses in there. They look good. Interesting. So let me pull that out. Okay, wow. Not as light as I thought, but very intrigued. So those are the glasses, Inmo. You can see inside, it says Inmo. It's pretty good, huh? They look nice. I like the build. I like this little red touch here. That's pretty, looks sturdy. I don't know if it's useful, but I like it. So let me put that aside for now. I'm gonna fold them back, put that here. And there's this device, which I have no clue what it is. There's a power, maybe it's a power bank for the glasses. Then I would assume there's a cable. But no, there is no cable. Where is the cable? There's a double side? No cable. Okay. And in there, is there a cable? Let's find the cable. No. There's a Inmo Go3. There's a nice cloth, but no cable. Let's tackle. Now, we got the glasses, and we got this little puck, which I'm not sure what it is for yet. And we'll discover that. Now let's open the glasses. Trying to open it smoothly so we don't make a mess. Okay, and still recording up there. We're almost there. There we go. And now I'm gonna open this, and this one has a cable, and there's a little thing, and inside you can see there's the ring. A nice ring. I don't know if it's my side. I forgot what I ordered. It's not my side, definitively, unless I put it on this one, which may be where it goes. I don't know. If it's supposed to go here, it's not gonna work. So that's disappointing, because it seems to have a lot of sensors in there. So I hope that's not here. So this one has a little cable, which is in there, I guess. So let's open this. There we go. And yes, he has a little magnet charger. I like the other Inmo ring, actually. previous one. And yes, here it is. So it charged like that. So now the last part of this opening. This guy. What is this? I'm gonna open it from this side. It was definitively in the same package, so I think it is for that. What is this thing? Oh, it's a case. It's a case for it, and the same design as the one they use for the Meta ribbon display, I suppose, where it unfolds itself. Oh no, it's not the same. It does unfold itself. So now I have a nice case where I can put the glasses in. Oops. They open really strongly. Is it like it should be? Or like this? And then I can close it. Magnet. So yeah, the glasses goes in there. There we go. And that's the opening. So I have the ring and there's no more things in there. There's the glasses here. I don't know how to charge them. There's no cable for it. So we'll have to figure this out. This way. There we go. Inmo, the ring, the little puck, the ring, the little puck, and the glasses, and nice. Actually, it's really soft to touch. Feels like very leathery or velour. Very, very tactile. Very nice. Okay, I solved it. It took me a little bit, but there's no cable. Yes. Why? Because they have a really neat feature with those glasses. You see this? You see the back of it? That's the battery. It goes away. And inside that little puck, I was wondering, what was it? And let me open it for you. This is another battery. And I can put the battery on it like this. And that swaps the power. And in the meantime, when this one is plugged, I can put this one in this, close it, and it charges. And you can charge it, I think, 3 times. And otherwise you plug it in and it powers it. And that's the really cool feature. So even if it's a beyond unboxing, I figured I should tell everyone that those don't have a cable, but you charge them with a removable battery.